Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. You know, I've given so many live helps this week, a little over 200 of them, and it's great. I'm helping a lot of people, but it occurred to me that maybe we can do this a better way. I downloaded WhatsApp, and it's a business app, so we can have 256 people at one time in a group chat. I guess Zoom's kind of the same way, but I've got WhatsApp and that's what I'm going to use. If you're interested in a questions and answer, so we've got a huge forum of people. A lot of people ask the same question, so a good size forum for a lot of people. You can ask a question and I can definitely answer it. Plus, maybe I could give you a demonstration of something like, you know, putting in the easy flow or putting in gravel perforated pipe. Should you wrap it in fabric? Should you not? All these questions. Be able to answer those pretty quick. But more than that, it just gives everybody a place to come. And if you download WhatsApp, all you need to do is add our phone number to your contact. So Apple Drains, and I'm going to give you the Charlotte number because that's our main office now, and that goes directly to the WhatsApp. So you can always send a text through there or an email, send your videos, whatever you need to send to ask a question. It's better to use WhatsApp now. YouTube's great. I think it's great. We're able to get videos out there. They do have a live video, but the chat that goes with the video is text and it scrolls up the screen. So it makes it really hard for me to answer a question, because by the time I get to your question, now it's 10, 15 people later. So WhatsApp sounds like a good idea. Again, this is beta, so I'm just getting ready to try that. It's all new to me as well. But if you're interested in doing that, look in the description box below and on the website for all the instructions to do that. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.